Hey everyone. Well, Walmart started selling habanero peppers. One of the key ingredients in my salsa I make. So I'm going to try and see if they're hot enough to put in my salsa, if they're GMOs, till there's no heat left in them. Let's find out. Grab one of them. We'll do this. Not too big, not real small one either. But almost average size for a habanero. Almost. A little bit on the small side, but kind of sweet. Hot real fast. Crunchy, crisp. Hot. I can't do that.